Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my December daily, and today I'm going to make day 27, the day after Christmas. So I gathered some stuff again, pocket, and this is going to be my journaling card with a little tab on it and some lace at the end of the page, at the edge of the page, and that's, well, maybe so. Oh yeah, and the number 27. Where are you? Oh, here. I had these two, number 27. So, well, the first thing I'm going to do is glue that on the page, or shall I? No, I do the lace first. I'm going to put the glue on the page and not on the lace. Like so. Maybe the other way around. And now I'm going to glue that like so, I hope. I think that sticks. Maybe pull a bit. So, and let that dry. That should stick. Now the pocket over here. I want to have that side open, so I'm going to grip it there and then gluing the corners of the edges, or whatever you call it, like so. Stick it on. Yeah, that fits. This is also a piece of an old Christmas card with some foam tape between the tree and the card itself. Now I'm going to glue a little tab on here. Like so. And now the other side. Oh, you can't see it. I put some glue here. And just bend it over. That's enough. Cut a bit off. It's a bit too big. I don't need that. Like so. There's thread everywhere. I don't know what causes that, but so gluing, putting that in, I hope. Yeah, it sticks. So leaving him a bit out, like so. should do something here. Something green. Maybe something green. Yeah. It's just a piece of washi tape. Like so. That's not the right angle. A bit more like like that. I'm cutting that off, I hope. Like so. And maybe an itsy bitsy piece here. Itsy tiny. Like so. Putting it back in. Come on, yeah. And now the number 20 is, no, yeah, 27. And the 7. Like so. Well, this is okay. Cutting a little piece off. So it's okay, that's okay. Well, this is page 27 or day 27, and I'm going to journal on this little thing, card, snowman. So that's 27. I'm going to make day 28. So I gathered some stuff. I want to use this as a journaling card, and then adhere this with washi tape or tape so you can open it, journal on, and then this bow, paper bow, I want to make over here, like so. And then the number, I didn't look for it yet, maybe I have a 28 in here, or a 2 and an 8 in blue. I'm afraid not. Ah, I have the 8 and I know I have the 2 somewhere. 2, 28. So I'm going to use those blue numbers. I'm going to glue the bow on. Should I? No. Just flat. Nothing fancy. Just like this. And then the bow. like so, the bow like so, squeeze it a bit, squeeze this a bit, because it's going to get very bulky when I don't. And now I can do glue that on, but I want to glue something around this, and this is what, well, what's with it, but I think I'm going to do something else around it. We'll see. Wait and see. Now I'm going to glue this on, or adhere this on with some tape, and I have some blue tape. Oh, this is beautiful tape. I think this is too wide and the blue isn't right. This is too small, that's too small. Could use this one like that. No, it's not Christmas tape, but whoa. Could use that one, but that's not the right color. I use this one. I like this one, this color. So I find the beginning. Here it is. Oh, it's very sticky. That helps. Cut it straight. And now I'm going to try that too. Like so. Oh, that's a bit too short. No, I do it on the card first. Like so. Yeah. I consider it straight. All those little pieces on my finger sticks. And now this side. And just stick it on like so. That should do. I hope. We'll see. So I'm going to stick, no, that's not, no, you can't see that, so I'm not going to do that. Well, yeah, there it is. Like so. It's a bit too, can you see it? That's not straight, like always. Like so, like that. And now I glue it on. Like this. So this is the journaling card. And where should I put these two? 28 on the card itself. Yeah, I'm doing it on the card itself. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, I think this is the right way. So, should I do something with the pen? No, I'll leave it this way. Maybe some little dots in the roses on the washi tape, so you are getting some glitter, shiny something on the tape. Yeah, like that. Maybe a few. Like so. Yeah, like that. You can't see it, I bring it up. Whoops. You'll see. You can't, no. Well, you can see it, yeah, like this. You see? Bit gold on the little blue roses. So it fits with Christmas. So that's it. That's day 28. Thank you for watching. Bye.